Introducing the 2023 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG. This sleek and powerful vehicle is the perfect combination of luxury, comfort and safety. With its black exterior, 2-litre engine size and automatic transmission, this estate Jeep is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Loaded with top-of-the-line features, this Kodiaq includes everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. From air conditioning and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags, you can feel confident and secure on the road. Plus, with amenities like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a luxury trim interior, you'll never want to leave the driver's seat. Not only does this vehicle offer style and comfort, but it also prioritizes safety with features like ABS, emergency call, and trailer stability program. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust that you're getting a top quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information on how you can drive home in the 2023 Skoda Kodiaq today. Embrace luxury, comfort and safety like never before with this exceptional vehicle.